This video is about Ryan Duzer, and I'm probably butchering his name. Thank you, Ryan, because of you, I was able to sell all my cars and just bicycle around. Okay, let me tell you a little story. Back in college, I had a car, but I only had $25 a week to live on. So I just started bicycling. I went and bought a bicycle from Target and started bicycling to save money. And plus, I didn't like doing cardio, so instead of getting on a Stairmaster, I would just ride my bike, and then I would hit the gym for the fitness part. Fast forward, after college, I slept in my car, started a business with $100, made multi-millions of dollars from it, and then I had multiple cars, and I hadn't bicycled for many years. Back in 2016, I found Ryan on YouTube, and I watched him do all these bicycle touring, from one side of the country to the other. And I thought to myself, man, this thing must be so cool. And thanks to him, I started bicycle touring. And thanks to him, I decided I don't want to have a car anymore. And I sold all my cars. My last car was a SL, Mercedes-Benz SL 550. I sold my 3Gs, my 2 Nissan Titans, so on and so on, a smart car, so on and so on, and just to ride bicycles. So I want to take this time to thank Ryan because he has motivated me to get rid of my cars and bicycle. He has motivated me to travel America on a bicycle, aka bicycle touring, and I would never had the idea or the courage to do that if I didn't watch Ryan. So Ryan, if you ever watch this video, I really appreciate what you do on YouTube. And the funny thing is, I was in Boulder, and I didn't know you were in Boulder in Colorado, and I was riding bicycles there. I didn't know you were there, but this was before I had watched your YouTube channel. So again, thank you, Ryan. If you haven't watched Ryan Duzer, go check it out, guys. I mean, amazing video content about health, smiles, fitness, cycling, and he's a really good guy. And thank you so much for changing my life, Ryan. And I want to let you know, because of you, I don't own a car anymore, straight up. And I've been bicycling for 8 months now, car free, and I love it. And I would never go back to a car, sitting in traffic, paying car insurance, paying car maintenance, paying these ridiculous car prices, paying inspection, registration, and all the big brother regulation and policing that goes around with having a car. A bicycle is not only good for your health, it's good for your mind, it's good for your organs, it's good for your everything, dude, like your fitness, your everything you can imagine, even to your feet, your calves, everything's going to look so good on you. Plus, more importantly, you're going to feel like amazing. And more importantly, you're able to be in the now, smelling the roses, smelling the flowers, smelling the butterflies, seeing the air change and feeling the moisture, and even getting rained on. It's a great feeling. So again, thank you, Ryan. If you haven't watched Ryan on YouTube, I'll put a link below. Go check him out. Again, thanks so much, Ryan, and keep what you're doing. Keep it up, brother. Champ. Peace. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.